I'm Breck McKenna here at Two Medicine Lake yet again. I'm going to be trying a Rockwell Falls trail. Should be pretty fun. In total, I think it's like 2 hours, so it's not that strenuous, and like 200 feet in elevation gain. So it should be pretty fun. I hope you guys enjoy the ride. If you saw my Astor Falls video, you're going to see most of the majority of the trail leading to Rockwell Falls. But then it splits off, and I think there's 2 miles of separate foliage and beautiful views as well. So if you haven't seen the Astor Falls video, please go back and do so, because I'm going to jump ahead to where I haven't filmed. So this is going to be all brand new, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, let's go. So as you can see, we are on the South Shore trailhead of Two Medicine Lake right now. We're going to venture all the way past Astor Falls, where we did last time, and then we're going to get to Rockwell Falls. So in total, I think it's like, 3 miles and almost 600 feet. It's not that much. All right, guys, let's get going. So, hey guys, I'm here at the point where I made it in my last video. And in turn, we took Astor Park Trail, and then we went to Astor Falls. I want to continue down that way and go towards Rockwell Falls. I thought all the adventure and fun stuff would start here, but it didn't at all. I actually saw two really cool things along the way. Check them out right now. That's really cool. Wow, she's big. That's pretty cool. Sorry for the quality. Hey there, little buddy. You don't care that I'm here? No? This is crazy. Why are you letting me get so close? Hi. What are you up to? Huh? Sorry for the bad quality of the videos, but I think that's so cool. Just freaking walking in right there. That's crazy. All right, guys. I'm gonna make my way down here. Hope you enjoy the ride. Let's get going. All right. So hey guys, I think I'm coming up to a sign. I can see it up ahead. I passed quite a few people. It's about 6 in the afternoon. So I got some good cloud coverage and some gorgeous wind. Feels great outside. So I'm just happy to be walking along. Keeping an eye out. I've seen so much out here, it's crazy. Yep, got a little sign we're approaching right now. Here we go. Look at that mountain too. Gorgeous. Like, holy cow. Can't get any much prettier than that. Let's see what the sign has to say. Footbridge, horse ford. Huh. I had to look up a map real quick because I wasn't really sure. Footbridge and horse ford, we're gonna take footbridge that way. I think horse ford leads to Upper Two Medicine Lake. So that's another adventure for another time. So let's take footbridge and let's go towards Rockwell Falls. Here we go. All right. right, guys, I think we're here. Oh, wait. Oh, it's a footbridge. I didn't realize that's what it meant. Low limit, one person at a time. All right, we're gonna cross this bridge. Here we go. Okay, I will admit, that was hairier than I thought it would be, but that was amazing. That was so fun. So, we continue on this way, and we're eventually gonna hit Rockwell Falls. Holy cow. All right, guys, here we go. So, hey guys, we just arrived at another signage. So right here we got South Shore Trail, and all of that going that way. And then we have Two Medicine Pass Trail, which is going this way, and Rockwell Falls, 1.2 miles. Here we go. I know that that's closed off because of bear activity, Upper Two Medicine Lake and Trail. So we're gonna maintain this way, and we're gonna have a good time. All right, let's go. All right. Wow, is this a view? Check that out. Huge. Absolutely gorgeous. Make my way. Plenty of rodents running in the grass beside me. So I'm always like, oh. See, like that. Running right beside me. Making our way there. Let's go. Let's check this out. I think this is pretty cool. We got a very, very large boulder over here, which color and look sure does match. Way up there. I'm pretty sure that at one point fell off and fell all the way down here. That's crazy. I would have loved to hear that sound. Wow. Keep on trucking. I hear a waterfall. Wow, look at that creek rock. That's crazy. I hear it. Let me see if yeah, I can glimpse it. Here, I'll just show you this for now. This is the creek bed. Look at that rock, absolutely gorgeous. And then over here, the trail sign, Rockwell Falls. And that way's Cobalt Lake Campground. Gotta try that at some point. All right, guys, here you go. Holy cow, this is awesome! Rockwell Falls! Wow, that's beautiful! I'm gonna get a little closer, see what I can see. The sheer force of this is crazy. This stone is very slippery too. Last video, I had a little accident with water. I'm gonna try and be very careful this time. Wow. Well, thank you for staying along. This was definitely worth it for me. This is gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up on water, and I need to wait my way back. If I go now, I'm gonna get back at about 9:30, so probably need to start leaving. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this, please like and subscribe, leave a comment. I will be posting similar content. I will see you guys soon. Peace.